A cat's fur is far more than a superficial feature. It is a complex, dynamic biological system integral to the animal's overall health, comfort, and social interaction. The coat functions on multiple levels simultaneously. It regulates body temperature, shields the skin from physical damage and ultraviolet radiation, serves as a tactile sensory interface, and acts as a subtle medium for communication with other cats and humans. The importance of fur care extends beyond mere aesthetics. Proper grooming and maintenance promote not only the physical health of the cat but also its emotional and psychological well-being. Even though cats are inherently meticulous self-groomers, human intervention remains essential. Particularly for domestic cats whose natural routines, diet, activity levels, and environmental conditions differ substantially from those of their wild counterparts. Factors such as limited outdoor activity, artificial indoor climates, and seasonal changes can alter the coat's natural condition, making attentive human care a necessary supplement. Healthy fur begins at the skin. The skin serves as the foundation upon which coat quality is built, and any disruption in its health manifests directly in the appearance and texture of the fur. A cat's coat is a reflection of internal physiological states including hydration, nutrition, hormonal balance, and overall health. Dull, brittle, greasy, or unevenly colored fur is rarely an isolated issue. More often, it signals underlying conditions such as nutritional deficiency, stress, parasitic infestation, or systemic illness. Regular and careful observation of the coat provides a non-invasive method for monitoring health, often revealing subtle changes before they escalate into more serious medical problems. For instance, excessive oiliness or flaking can indicate dermatological conditions or hormonal imbalances, while unusual shedding patterns may reflect stress, dietary insufficiencies, or immune system dysfunction. Maintaining vigilance over coat condition allows caregivers to intervene early, potentially preventing chronic or more invasive issues. Brushing represents the cornerstone of feline fur care, offering benefits that are both practical and therapeutic. The process of brushing serves multiple functions concurrently. It removes loose and dead hair, significantly reducing shedding in the home environment. It prevents the formation of tangles and mats, which can cause pain, restrict circulation, trap moisture, and conceal wounds or parasites. Brushing also evenly distributes natural skin oils across the coat, enhancing shine and maintaining skin elasticity, while simultaneously providing a form of tactile stimulation that many cats find calming and reassuring. Another often overlooked benefit is the reduction in hair ingestion during self-grooming. Cats that groom themselves extensively can accumulate substantial amounts of hair in their digestive tract, leading to hairballs that may cause vomiting or intestinal discomfort. Regular brushing is a preventive measure that diminishes the frequency and severity of hairball formation, especially in breeds with long or dense coats. The frequency and technique of brushing depend heavily on the cat's coat length, density, and texture. Short-haired cats typically benefit from brushing once or twice a week, which is sufficient to remove loose hair, prevent minor tangling, and maintain a natural sheen. Medium-haired cats often require brushing multiple times per week to prevent tangling, particularly in areas prone to friction such as the neck, armpits, belly, and hind legs. Long-haired cats, such as Persians, Maine Coons, or Siberians, generally require daily attention to prevent matting, which can form rapidly and cause significant discomfort if left unaddressed. Attention to coat type is essential, as the needs of a fine, silky coat differ markedly from those of a dense, double-layered coat, and improper grooming frequency can lead to either undermaintenance or overstimulation. Selecting appropriate grooming tools is equally critical for effective fur care. Short-haired cats respond well to soft bristled brushes or rubber grooming tools, which lift loose hair without irritating the skin. Long-haired cats require a combination of tools: a wide-toothed comb to gently detangle knots and identify emerging mats, and a slicker brush to remove loose undercoat and maintain coat uniformity. The introduction of grooming tools should be gradual and positive. Cats should be allowed to sniff and examine brushes or combs prior to use, ensuring that they associate grooming instruments with safety and familiarity rather than stress. Abrupt or forceful introduction of tools can lead to aversion, resistance, and anxiety during grooming sessions. The brushing process itself should be methodical, gentle, and attuned to the cat's comfort. Sessions should begin with short, calm interactions, following the natural direction of hair growth. Pressure should be light and controlled, sufficient to remove debris and stimulate the skin without causing discomfort or pain. Certain areas, including the belly, inner thighs, and near the legs, are particularly sensitive and require cautious handling. Resistance, agitation, or attempts to escape should be interpreted as clear signals to pause or terminate the session. Forcing grooming under any circumstances undermines trust, elevates stress levels, and can establish long-term negative associations with fur care. Patience, consistency, and attentiveness to body language are key to fostering a cooperative grooming routine. Mats require particular attention due to their potential impact on health. They form when loose fur becomes entangled with healthy hair and tightens against the skin, creating a compact mass. Mats are more than a cosmetic concern. They pull on the skin, impede airflow, trap moisture, and can hide parasites or minor injuries, which may worsen if left untreated. Small mats may sometimes be loosened gradually using fingers or a wide-toothed comb. Cutting mats with scissors is hazardous because of the thinness and elasticity of feline skin and should be avoided unless performed by an experienced professional or veterinarian. In cases of severe matting, professional grooming or medical intervention is essential to prevent pain, infection, or dermatitis. Bathing, while occasionally necessary, is generally not required for healthy cats. Cats evolved with sophisticated grooming behaviors that are highly effective at maintaining coat cleanliness and integrity. When bathing becomes necessary due to contamination, medical conditions, or infestations, the process must be approached with care. Only cat-specific shampoos should be used, as human products may disrupt the natural pH of feline skin, leading to irritation or secondary infections. Baths should be infrequent, conducted calmly, and followed by thorough drying to prevent chilling, hypothermia, or skin damage. Maintaining a calm, reassuring environment during bathing reduces stress and reinforces positive associations with necessary hygiene procedures. Seasonal shedding is a normal physiological process and should not be misinterpreted as a deficiency in grooming. Cats often shed more heavily during transitions between seasons, responding to changes in daylight and temperature. During these periods, brushing frequency may need to increase to manage the excess fur, prevent mat formation, and reduce the likelihood of hairballs. Indoor cats exposed to consistent artificial lighting may shed at a more uniform rate throughout the year, necessitating consistent grooming to maintain coat health and minimize hair accumulation in the home environment. Diet and nutrition exert a profound influence on fur condition. Adequate protein intake is vital. As fur is primarily composed of keratin, a protein requiring sufficient dietary support. Essential fatty acids, including omega-3 and omega-6, contribute to coat shine, skin hydration, and elasticity. Deficiencies or imbalances in these nutrients manifest quickly in the fur, often presenting as dullness, excessive shedding, or flaking. Hydration is equally critical. Regular access to fresh water supports skin health and helps maintain a glossy, resilient coat. Nutritional optimization ensures that grooming efforts are supported from the inside, reinforcing the benefits of external care. Age further modifies grooming needs. Kittens possess fine, delicate coats that are generally low maintenance but benefit from early, gentle grooming to foster positive associations with human handling. As cats mature, self-grooming efficiency varies with breed, activity level, and individual temperament. Senior cats may face reduced grooming efficacy due to arthritis, dental discomfort, or decreased flexibility. In older cats, human intervention becomes increasingly important to prevent matting, maintain skin integrity, and reduce stress associated with grooming difficulties. Grooming also functions as a form of social interaction. When introduced respectfully, brushing can be a bonding experience, fostering trust and reinforcing the caregiver-cat relationship. The repetitive, rhythmic motion of brushing often induces relaxation and a sense of security in the cat. Observing behavioral cues during grooming sessions provides insight into both physical and emotional health. A cat that leans into brushing, purrs, or exhibits relaxed posture demonstrates comfort and engagement, whereas signs of tension or withdrawal may indicate discomfort, stress, or underlying medical concerns requiring attention. The act of caring for a cat's fur encompasses maintenance, observation, and relational dynamics. It requires patience, attentiveness, and consistency rather than force or intensity. Proper fur care supports physical comfort, minimizes health risks, and mitigates shedding and hairball formation.